Hey there, budding artists. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art, where we're about to embark on a journey into the world of enchanting crystals and magical wonders. Let's begin our adventure with this mesmerizing crystal. Just look at it. It's as sharp as can be, with multiple edges that catch and reflect light from every angle. Can you feel its magic? But wait, the magic doesn't stop there. We've added a variety of differently sized crystals to our canvas. Each one is unique, just like you and your imagination. Now, to make this scene even more splendid, we've sprinkled stars and sparkles all around. It's like we're in a place of pure enchantment, where everything shines like it's magical. Down below, we've scattered herbs and leaves on the ground. It's like the very essence of nature is joining our artistic adventure. Can you feel the connection to the earth? And there in the sky, a half moon graces our canvas, making everything look even more magical. Can you see the circles on the moon? They're like portals to another world. And don't forget the sparkles background. It's adorned with more leaves, adding depth and character to our magical realm. Now let's talk colors. We've painted this mystical scene with shades of blues, dark blues, and purples. The crystals are alive with enchanting colors, and the stars and sparkles are gleaming in vibrant yellows and oranges. It's like this entire world is glowing under the soft light of the half moon in a starry night. And there you have it, our fantastic crystal wonderland. If you enjoyed this enchanting journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventures. Why, until next time, keep painting your dreams and I'll see you soon.